no way this cartoon actually got banned. You've probably heard of shows getting canceled for bad stories or weird scenes, but this one was different. It came out in 1932, and just 4 years later it disappeared. Not because of the animation, not because of the characters, because of the music. The song was so unsettling that people protested after hearing it. Some even said it gave them nightmares, and after that, it was pulled from TV. But I found the audio. I'm about to play it right now. If you really want the creepy part, listen to it at 0.3 times speed. Then tell me in the comments, did it actually creep you out?
Hidey, hidey, ho. Hidey, hidey.